Hi, it's Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing. I'm going to teach you how to dance like a lasso. This is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner line dance. For that first set of 8 counts, we're going to do a side rock cross on the right, a side rock cross on the left. We're going to walk forward, right, left, and then 2 hydrant hitches. So we're going to lift our leg and hitch as we turn. Let me show you what all that looks like. It's a side rock cross, side rock cross, walk, walk, hitch, hitch. To counts, it'll look like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our right foot is in the air, so let's start that second set of 8 counts. We're going to walk again, right, left. Then we're going to step forward on the right, lift your left leg and slap it. Bring it down and sway, sway, sway. Then we're going to kick our right foot as we do a quarter turn. Okay. So to counts, it'll look like this. Your foot was in the air. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put both of those 8 counts together from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock cross. Side rock cross. Walk, walk, lift, lift, walk, walk, step and hit, sway, 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 kick. All right, let's try the third set of 8 counts. So we just got through kicking. With that right foot, go ahead and pony it back. Right, left, right. And with that left foot in the air, do a coaster step. Left, right, left. So again, that was a pony back coaster step. Now we're going to do a kickball step with that right foot. Kick, ball, step, kick, ball, step. Okay, let's do that last set of 8 counts. You ready? We're going to step forward on the right. We're going to flick our left foot behind as we start turning towards 3 o'clock. And then we're going to shuffle forward on the left foot. Triple step. Okay, so that was a step, flick, triple step. And to finish it, we'll put our foot out right, then our left, and then we'll do one big lasso with an ami with your hips. Lasso. You want to do 2 lassos? That's fun too. But let's put that together. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put the third set and the last set of 8 counts together. So we just got through kicking. We're going to pony back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go ahead and do 4 walls. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing, and I'll see you on the dance floor.